Hi there, students. To denude. To denude, a verb. Denuded, I guess, as an adjective. Okay, to denude, to take off, to strip, to make bare, to make naked. And yes, you can use it for clothes, but it's not very usual. He denuded himself of his clothes and stood there in his birthday suit. Yes, you can use it like that, but we use it more to mean to take everything away from. So, for example, deforestation has left huge areas denuded of trees. Yeah, without trees, naked of trees. To take the covering off, to make bare. Okay, we can use it metaphorically as well. Many countries where there are few employment possibilities and bad salaries suffer from the brain drain. The brain drain is the best people going abroad to find work. And this denudes these countries of their best and most able people. The cuts in the armed forces have left the defense of our nation denuded, reduced, made very low. For example, people for many years now have been leaving the countryside, and nowadays is almost completely denuded of young people. Yeah, okay, it's been deprived of them, it's been stripped of them. Yeah, they've been taken away, they've left. Okay, so denuded, to remove the covering of something. Okay, the overgrazing by sheep, grazing, has left this area completely denuded of grass and wild plants. And then to remove a valuable quality, a valuable possession, valuable something that it has. The war has denuded the savings of the country. Yeah, or yes, the First World War denuded Great Britain of men between the ages of 17 and 30 for a whole generation. Okay, so it was denuded. It was completely stripped thereof. Okay, so we're using it metaphorically to mean to lay bare, to take everything away from it, to take off the covering of it. Okay, so to denude, a regular verb. Yeah, the recession denuded the country of jobs. Okay, so a regular verb. It has denuded the country of good jobs. Formality. This sounds literary and maybe a little bit posh. I think I would probably give it 7.5 in formality. Don't use it in an informal conversation. To strip, to lay bare, to take away, something like that informally. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French denuder, to make naked, which comes from Latin denudare, and then nudus, bare. Okay, so to denude. I had I've got no food left and I'm gonna have to go shopping. Yeah, when people went crazy buying left denuded of toilet paper. When there is panic buying, people can buy everything in the shops and leave them completely denuded of anything useful that you might want to buy. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Denude, Denuded.